Hi, my name is Bhavani Singh, and today I'll be talking about the process of fertilization. During sexual intercourse, 300 million sperm are ejaculated into the vagina. Some will flow out of the vagina, some will die in acidic environment. The semen protects most of the sperm that are produced by the seminal vesicles and the prostate glands. The sperm goes through the cervix and goes to the uterus. The sperm will get stuck in between the cervical mucus, and some will be in between the cervical folds, but will travel back up as a backup to the first batch. The uterus to the fallopian tube. Muscular uterine contractions that are similar to peristalsis will help the sperm travel through the uterus to the fallopian tube. At this stage, the immune system will think that the sperm is foreign invaders and will kill all of them using phagocytosis. This kills millions of sperm, and at this stage, only a few thousand remain. The fallopian tube. Half of the sperm remaining goes to the fallopian tube, and the other half goes to the fallopian tube with the unfertilized egg. So the cilia will produce the motion because it needs to waft the egg towards the uterus. So the sperm will have to move against this motion, and the cilia traps a lot of sperm. At this stage, the sperm gets hyperactive and swims faster. So the last stage is fertilization. At fertilization, only a few dozen will remain. Once the sperm touches the zona pellucida, which is the outermost membrane of the egg, the chemicals from the egg will start producing enzymes, and these enzymes will cause the sperm to be able to digest into the zona pellucida. The first sperm to make contact with the inner membrane will fertilize the egg. After fertilization occurs, no more sperm can enter. The male genetic information the material from the nucleus will break down and become chromosomes, and the female genetic information will become also chromosomes, and fertilization will occur. The newly born zygote will now travel through the uterus for implantation. Keith?
Okay. After fertilization, the zygote starts to divide. After several hours, a ball of cells are formed. The cells in the ball divide in and move through the oviduct, and now it's called an embryo. Then the embryo sticks into the soft lining of the uterus, and the placenta is starting to form. So now let's see what is the function of placenta, amnion, and umbilical cord. The placenta acts to provide oxygen and nutrients to the fetus, removing carbon dioxide and other waste products. The umbilical cord carries oxygenated blood and nutrients from the placenta to the fetus through the abdomen. It also carries deoxygenated blood and waste product from the fetus to the placenta. The amnion is a thick, tough membrane that protects a developing child. Inside the amnion, there is something called amniotic fluid. The amniotic fluid will provide protection for the developing baby. Now, let's talk about the development of the fetus in the womb. By 6 weeks after fertilization, all the major organs are beginning to develop. By 8 weeks, the tiny embryo is still about 1.5 centimeters long, but it has muscles and can move. By 10 weeks, all the organs are in place and the embryo is now called a fetus. It can move more. Brian?
Okay, labor and birth. Labor is also known as parturition. It has 3 stages. The starting lasts about 37 to 42 weeks, and the second stage is about delivery of fetus, and the ending is to remove the placenta. Day. Okay, for more details in the first stage, is before labor, the plug of mucus will discharge from the cervix. and the amniotic sac will rupture. Slowly, the cervix will dilate and get thinner. The second stage is about pushing. The cervix will dilate to 10 cm and the baby is pushed by the muscle of uterus. After the baby is born, the umbilical cord will be cut off, which is painless. And the last stage is to remove the placenta from the uterus because the baby is not in the mother's life support. Okay, thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
See you soon.